teaches researchers how to use Google Scholars properly. We just figure it out as we go. But Google Scholar Labs has tools that can make your searches smarter, faster, and more accurate. Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Priya, founder of Research Made Clear, and I know how chaotic literature reviews and early stage research can be. That's why I'm super excited about Google Scholar Labs because it promises to do more than just list papers. It tries to answer your questions intelligently. And in this era of information overload, I think this could be a game changer. So I'm going to quickly walk you through of the Google Scholar Labs features one by one. But first of all, what is Google Scholar Labs? So this is a new AI powered experiment inside Google Scholar that aims to go beyond traditional keyword search and gives you answers to your questions through semantic search. Let's explore it. So you can here ask detailed research questions to find relevant papers. In the Ask Scholar section, just type your query or topic and let it identify key topics, aspects, and relationships and search all of them. So Google Scholar Labs, it looks for papers and after evaluating them, it identifies the papers that answer your overall research question. Instead of just matching keywords, it tries to understand the full research question, then searches across the literature, giving you more relevant papers and more important context on why each one helps answer your research question. This way, you can see the relevance at a glance and quickly decide whether to read it further or not. Using the cite or quotation marks, you get a suggested reference style which you can copy or download directly to EndNote or refer. Using the cited by, you can find papers that have cited this particular paper, and a high number usually suggests a bigger impact. Here in the cited by, you can customize your search by relevance, by the year, and also create email alerts. Even further, narrow down your search by searching within the cited article. Further, find similar articles by going on related articles, which shows papers on the same topic area. Scholar Labs also has the ability to ask follow up questions, letting you dig deeper, refine the query, and even shift the focus without starting from scratch. You also get to see the search query history, search for more papers, and save the items that you find relevant. So, save in each result helps you store that paper, and you can create your own library or create a reading list. Library is your personal collection of materials which you can save and organize using your own labels as well. I like to keep it to my reading list where I also can export it later for reading. Use Scholar Labs when you are at early stage research and want a broad overview before diving deep, or if you need to rapidly shortlist relevant literature. Now, because Scholar Labs is experimental, it might pull up less known or low impact studies since it does not rely on citation counts or impact factors. So, you still must critically evaluate the papers because AI helps you find them, but you decide what's trustworthy. The tool is currently limited to English language queries and only available to some logged in users. So you can use Scholar Labs for exploratory research and then switch back to the classic Scholar or other databases for in depth citation and metric checks. While it's not perfect, but for complex questions and early stage research, it's definitely a strong ally. Do you have access to Google Scholar Labs in your region and have you tried it? Write me in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until then, no more research chaos, no more literature drowning, just research made clear.